Recently, you must have noticed that a very high number of YouTube channels are integrating animations such as the ones we allude to. I am therefore very elated to take you through a simple process on how these animations can be produced with much ease in our tutorial today. But before starting this, kindly help me out by subscribing the channel. The first step is to choose a character for our video. To achieve this, we shall employ lexical art. Just enter lexical art in the search box. My query will be on animate character boy. This will generate plenty of alternatives. You can choose one appealing to you carefully. After that, we look for a dynamic backdrop of an anime studio style. Choose a bright room to keep the audience's attention. Carefully pick out the one you liked best. Secondly, we need to remove the background of an image that you have selected. Thus, the background remover site is suitable for this job. It's a free service. Registration is needed only for HD photos. The quality decreases without registration. Upload your photo for processing as soon as you have signed in. Then save the resultant image on your computer. As for the image editing, we will use Photoshop. There are many Photoshop download tutorials available for free. Adjust the resolution accordingly. It should be 1280 x 720 pixels. Blend the background with the character. Now it's time to fill the scene with details such as a desk, microphone, and so on. I have attached descriptions which include other PNG images for your convenience. Now adding a table with white background. I will show how to remove it by means of a certain application. Then we present the microphone by also eliminating its white background. You may bring with you any object as long as it is illegal or does not violate the terms and conditions. I will confine myself to the inclusion of a speakers. Make sure that the size of microphone and speakers is proportional to the character's body. Also, we need to remove the current mouth with this tool. To end our final stage, we opt for CapCut, which is a free of charge and much loved video editing software. Insert your modified image into the timeline. By adhering to the profile guideline, you will have a video with lip synchronizations. You can download Talking Mouth with green screen simply from YouTube. The first thing to do will be removing the green background. Choose appropriate layer, choose video option, and go to cutout chroma key where you pick green coloring. Optimizing strength and shadow settings as high as possible. Now the goal is to make these mouth animations fit into animation for a character's body in order to improve visual perception. Look through Effects menu to find other ways of enhancement. To conclude, I will add a certain effect. Now you can press on export and the animation is done. Thank you for reading this short handbook. Remember to like and subscribe. Waiting for our next meeting.